welcome to today's cooking demo. Today we are making energy snack bars with the featured item being carrots. I know it sounds weird, but we also put carrots in cake, so just trust me, these are really good. Carrots are an excellent source of vitamin A. Vitamin A is an antioxidant that helps keep our immune system, skin, eyes, and hair healthy. Carrots are also a great source of fiber. Fiber helps make you feel fuller longer, can help lower your cholesterol, regulate blood sugars, and it's also great for your digestive system. So this is another super simple recipe that is easy to put together, but does take a little bit of cooking time, but not bad, only about 20-25 minutes. So for this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of honey and 1 cup of peanut butter. And I've already combined that in the saucepan because the first step is to put that in the saucepan and then heat it over the stove to melt it all together. So I've already done that in my saucepan. So honey is a natural sweetener, so there's no need for added sugar. But please remember that it is recommended that you do not give honey to children under the age of 1, including cooked honey. If you're going to give it to someone under the age of 1, you can always swap out 2 teaspoons of sugar instead of the honey. And then you've got your 1 cup of peanut butter, which is a great source of protein and healthy fats. We've got our 3½ cups of quick oats. We've got our ½ cup of raisins or craisins. We've got our ½ cup of shredded carrot and our ½ cup of unsweetened shredded coconut. Now you can choose sweetened or unsweetened coconut, but I chose the unsweetened only because we are already having honey and peanut butter in this recipe, so that will make these bars sweet enough. So I have my oven preheated to 350. I already melted the honey and the peanut butter into the pan, and then next you're going to add the quick oats and the other ingredients. So I've got the quick oats, I've got my ½ cup of craisins, I've got my ½ cup of shredded carrot. Now for the carrot, super simple. I got my carrots at the farmer's market, and my ½ cup took only about 1 carrot about this size. And then I just have a little handheld shredder, and I just shredded the carrot, and it was super simple. And then we have our ½ cup of coconut. So after putting all the ingredients into the saucepan, we're just going to mix everything together very carefully. So the honey and the peanut butter help coat everything and make everything stick together. Now, these energy bars are a great alternative compared to the granola bars that you can buy at the store. A lot of times the granola bars at the store, even though they're so yummy sometimes, they have a lot, some of them can have a lot of the added sugars and preservatives and some other ingredients that may not be so great for us. So all these ingredients are totally natural and so good. So once you have everything mixed together, if you ever want to add anything else to these, like you could always do like chocolate chips or something like that. If you want it to be a little sweeter, do that. You can always add anything you want. So once you have everything mixed together, we're going to have a 9x13 baking pan, and I already sprayed it with some non-cooking spray. So then we're just going to dump everything in the pan. And as you can see, everything is really nicely coated with the honey and the peanut butter. So, and then all we're going to do is just spread it out. You're just going to flatten it out so that way it makes, or after you take it out of the oven, you can cut it into nice bars, like granola bars. And then you can always, if you don't want like the whole pan sitting around, you can always cut them up, like after everything's cooled, cut them up, and then you can put them into little individualized baggies, and then that will help make it an easy, quick, on-the-go snack. So that's my oven that's ready, and I have these flattened out. So I'm going to now put these in the oven for about 20-25 minutes, let them cook, and then I'll let them cool, and I'll cut them into bars. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It's so good, and I hope you guys try it. And keep an eye out for next week's food demo.